All right, Zach, we're finna look at your car. Battery's about dead, but we're gonna do what we can.
I mean, Mark. Yeah, Mark. I told you, call me a son of a bitch, talk about my family, anything. Don't do that. Hey, appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Sure you right. Straight back. That's very straight back. All right. You tighten him up on the reception. Oh, I say, you're not going to talk something like that. I got you. Yeah, we're going to get some red silicone going in. No good side like now you see why I told you to hold them to the outside? Yep. So I could get my on there. Wrench on there. That's about how small it is. Right. Oh, the reflection. You got a picture? Well, that dominator looked good sitting around